I'm gonna fast click a couple. Okay, that's it. It's on some sites. Me and Yopi did well on it the other day. Oh, okay, nice. I thought it wasn't out yet. PR? PR for PR.
No, Remco. We're not stopping the stream.
No, we're gonna do a bonus hunt after this one. I think it's not gonna be a huge bonus hunt, but possibly $1,000 or so, right?
Yeah. Wow, shooting a
$1,000
lot here, man. 60 already, 60x.
Collector. Come on. Golden shovel.
Golden shovel.
Ah!
Ah! Isn't that really good? Shoot the players, right?
That's a lot of shots.
It better does it like 50 million times, bro. Oh, that's nice. That's good.
Oh,
Come on, do it a couple more.
he does it again. Nice!
Woo!
Do one more time.
Oh no, it's not gonna do it again.
Oh, man.
But that's good still. That's really good,
That's
man.
really good. That's really good.
Wow, come on, man.
300x. Alright. Come on. That's actually good, man. That's actually good.
Man. Collect it, man. Collect it, boo. Collect the boo.
Nice.
Player. Why
Oh,
not?
Look at the screen,
yes,
man.
Necromancer, man.
And he actually did it a lot of times.
Yeah,
for
man.
Necromancer. Can
Yeah,
be,
three
can
times
be one
only.
or two as well.
He did 3 times only.
Yeah. It can be one or two as well.
2 is minimum, right?
Is that so?
I think so.
I know that on 3 it can do it once.
Wow, what's going on, man?
That's good.
Oh.
Collector!
Collect the player!
Oh my god!
Collect the player!
Yes! Yes! Come on, man!
my
Yes,
God, what a
man!
game!
Come on!
Hey, man!
Oh my god! Golden shovel! Golden shovel!
This is the better game, man!
Come on!
Come on, man!
Hit it! Oh, no, it's a good one, bro! Let's go, bro! Come on, man! Let's go!
Another 1K, man! Come on, baby!
Yes, man! Come on, guys!